Hi America, let me show you how to fix your under eye smudging. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is go to my makeup line and grab my color correcting concealer cream. The reason I grab that is because, as you see, this is black eyeliner, so when it smudges it gives like this gray film over the foundation. So I actually put on my hand, I mix the color corrector in with the concealer. That gives you less steps and you will still have the same outcome. The brush I'm using you can use with a liquid, cream, or powder. I then grabbed my Chromatic pressed powder in the color Cookie Dough, and I'm going to make sure I set that under eye with it. These pressed powders are very soft, so they will fuse into a cream or liquid foundation and set beautifully. You can put as little or as much as you desire. These powders, like I said, they are pressed powders, so they're anywhere from a light to medium coverage. Now I'm just going to go all over the face using the same brush, just tapping in certain areas where there may be a little bit of oil, where I need to do a little small touch up. And I'm using this small brush for exact placement. That's why I'm not using a big fluffy brush. I want to hit just certain areas with this powder. And there you have it. I grabbed my Pastel Nude lip gloss in the color Pretty Simple. And I'm going to just quickly touch up her lip. My face model actually loves her lips overdrawn, so I'm only just going to touch up with the lip gloss. I'm not going to touch up with the lip liner. If I would have touched up with the lip liner, that would have been to help control the lip gloss from going over the lip. But she doesn't mind her lips looking a little bigger. And there you have it, just a couple of minutes and that makeup is touched up and back fresh.